This video is based on author's imagination. This video is just for entertainment purpose. It doesn't mean to hurt anyone's feeling. All the characters used in this story are completely fictional. It doesn't relate with Ida's personal life. So don't take it seriously. Now sit back and enjoy the video series. Well, it's our King Jungkook's FF. Remember, all the characters, incidents used in this are completely fictional. So don't take it to your kidneys and heart. And have a good time.
Yuan Jungkook had a marriage built on devotion, quiet, patient, powerful. He was the prototype husband who never let your hand go in a crowd. You were the one who made his house feel like home. But sometimes, love isn't enough to keep the shadows away. The clock on your bedside table glowed. 1:03 a.m. You turned over reaching for him, empty sheets, cold. You sat up, rubbing your eyes. The front door had clicked shut an hour ago. Across town, in a dimly light parking lot, Jungkook stood with his back to his car, his hands clenched at his sides. Minso, his secretary, leaned against the driver's side road. Her red lips curved into a poisonous smile. Minso, I wondered how long it would take you to come to your senses. Jungkook, cut the bullshit. Why are you doing this? Minso, because you didn't pick me, Jungkook. Because you chose her. Her eyes glittered with something dark as she held up her phone. Minso, and now you will pay for it. Jungkook, don't. Minso, I have videos, of her. All edited, all very convincing. And if you don't keep seeing me, if you don't do exactly what I say, I will make sure the world thinks your precious wife is. He lunged forward, grabbing her waist hard enough to make her gasp. Jungkook, don't you dare to say her name. Minso, then agree. Meet me when I tell you. Be the doting husband in public, but behind the closed doors, you belong to me. Jungkook's jaw clenched. His voice was low, lethal. Jungkook, you disgust me. Minso, that's fine. Just don't test me. He released her, just heaving. Her smile sharpened like a blade. Minso, good night, Jungkook. The moment he stepped towards the door at 3 a.m., you were waiting on the couch, wrapped in his sweatshirt, eyes wide and red-rimmed. You, where were you? He froze. Your voice was so small, so afraid, it made something twist in his chest. Jungkook, I had something to take care of. You, at 3 in the morning? He swallowed. If he told you the truth, you would be terrified. You would blame yourself, you would fall apart, and he would never forgive himself for it. Jungkook, business. Go to bed. Little love? You stood slowly, tears slipping free. You have never hidden anything from me, not once, but now? Your lip trembled. You won't even look at me in the eyes. His jaw flexed. God, he wanted to tell you everything, to fall at your feet and beg you to understand, but he couldn't. He wouldn't risk your life to ease his own guilt. Jungkook, Ryan, please. You, please what? Pretend nothing's wrong? Pretend you didn't just disappear in the middle of the night. Come home late. Your voice cracked, stiffened, every muscle locked in place. I'm not stupid, Jungkook. I know something is happening. Just tell me, what is it? Tell me, why are you doing this? He shut his eyes, voice raw. Jungkook, because I love you. You. Then why? Jungkook, because if I tell you, you will never feel safe again. Dear Reed caught. He finally looked at your eyes, black with grief, and something that looked horribly like resignation. Jungkook, go upstairs. Please. I won't. I won't leave you like this. I won't return. I don't see you breaking. You reach for him. He stepped back like your touch might shatter him completely. Jungkook, Ryan? You, let me in. Whatever it is, let me help you. His throat worked, voice hoarse. Jungkook, you can't help me. Not this time. And if you know the truth, you would hate me for it. Your tears fell harder, but your voice didn't shake. You, try me. He looked at you so long, you thought he might finally say it. Every secret, every threat, every desperate choice he would made you to keep you safe. But instead, he just reached out, brushing your cheek with the back of his fingers like he was memorizing you. Jungkook, I'm sorry. Then he turned and walked past you upstairs into the darkness.
जो तुम मेरे हो तो मैं कुछ नहीं मांगू दुनिया से, और तुम हो ही नहीं तो मैं जीना नहीं चाहूँ दुनिया में। और नजरों में मेरे एक जहाँ है जहाँ तू और मैं अब साथ हैं, और वहाँ कोई नहीं तू और मैं ही हैं। और आओगे ऐसे आओगे, तेरी मेरी क्या राहें उजड़ी हैं, और राहों में ही जो तुम आए कभी, हम तो प्यार से ही मर जाएंगे। और आओगे ऐसे आओगे, तेरी मेरी क्या राहें उजड़ी हैं, और राहों में ही जो तुम आए नहीं, हम तो फिर भी तुम्हें ही चाहेंगे। जो तुम मेरे हो तो मैं कुछ नहीं मांगू दुनिया से। पूछे तू कि तुझ में मैं क्या देखता हूँ, जब चारों तरफ आज कितने ही सारे हैं। जाने ना तू खुद को यूं ना जाने क्यों नजरों से मेरी यहाँ, देखो ना खुद को जरा, देखो ना जुल्फों से, कैसे जुल्फों से तेरी छुपती प्यारी प्यारी सी मुस्कान है। और नजरें झुकी और नजरें उठी तो मैं क्या ही करूं बर्बाद। मैं तेरे होठों को जिनसे रखती मेरे प्यारे प्यारे नाम है, और दिल का तेरे और दिल का तेरे, अब मैं क्या ही कहूँ क्या बात है। और हाँ देखो यहाँ कैसे आई दो दिलों की बारात है, पर क्या खुला आसमां या फिर लाई यहाँ जोरों से बरसात है। चाहे वो छाए भी बादल तो, चाहे फिर भी तुम्हें क्या पता, तुमको मांगू ना कुछ और जो तुम मेरे हो।
कैसे तेरी ना धूप चुने ना छाँव, कैसे तेरी खुद मर्जी, कैसे ठोर टिके ना पाँव, कैसे तेरी खुद मर्जी, ना धूप चुने ना छाँव, कैसे तेरी खुद मर्जी, कैसे ठोर टिके ना पाँव, अपना है अपन, कर लिया तो साथ समंदर, फिर भी सूखा मन के
तेरी लहर में ख्वाहिश
की दसा मेरे लिए क्या तू, मेरे लिए धड़कन मेरे लिए साथ तू, तेनू की दसा मेरे लिए क्या तू, मेरे लिए धड़कन मेरे लिए साथ तू, हाय दिल तू जान तू, दर्द दी दवा तू, जद तक मैं जीना मेरे जीण दी वजह तू, दिल तू जान तू, दर्द दी दवा तू, जद तक मैं जीना मेरे जीण दी वजह तू। सागर वर्गियां गहरियां अखियां सूरज वर्गा निक तेरा, जुल्फ सुनहरी शामा वर्गी चानण वर्गा मुख तेरा। सागर वर्गियां गहरियां अखियां सूरज वर्गा निक तेरा, जुल्फ सुनहरी शामा वर्गी चानण वर्गा मुख तेरा। है पहाड़ा दी ठंडी हवा तू, मैं हारा ही यारा मेरा तू, हाय दिल तू जान तू, दर्द दी दवा तू, जद तक मैं जीना सजना जीण दी वजह तू, दिल तू जान तू, दर्द दी दवा तू, जद तक मैं जीना मेरे जीण दी वजह तू, जल रहा हूँ अब बुझ जाने को दिल करता है, तेरी जुल्फों में उलझ जाने को दिल करता है, दिल करता है तुझे कर लूँ मैं करीब इतना कि तेरी सांसों में अब घुल जाने को दिल करता है। दिल दे विच दे दे थोड़ी जी थां तू, ना दे पिछे ला ले मेरा नाम तू, हाय दिल तू जान तू, दर्द दी दवा तू, जद तक मैं जीना मेरे जीण दी वजह तू, दिल तू जान तू, दर्द दी दवा तू, जद तक मैं जीना मेरे जीण दी वजह तू।